Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to get back 3-button navigation bar on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL or any other latest Android 16 version. In the Pixel 10 series, by default, you can see the full screen gesture. So, when you use the full screen gesture, just swipe up and hold to view the recent application on your Pixel 10 device. If you want to go back, just swipe from the left or swipe from the right to go back to the previous screen on your full screen gesture. And if you want to go to home, like we open this, if you want to go home, just swipe up and to go to home on your full screen gesture. But if you don't like this full screen gesture and get back the old notification bar or get back the 3-button navigation bar, open the app drawer on your Pixel 10 series, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to display and touch. So here you can see the display and touch. You can also search here for the navigation bar. So tap on display and touch. Now scroll down until you can see the navigation mode or navigation bar. So here you can see the navigation mode option in the appearance section. So tap on navigation mode. Now here you can see the gesture navigation by default set. Also you can see the setting gear icon. So here you can set the left edge sensitivity or right edge sensitivity. Also quickly access the digital assistant by swipe to invoke assistant if you want to use. You can also set a try demo to easily understand how it works on your device. So go back. Now if you want to set the 3-button navigation bar, select the 3-button navigation and you can see remove the horizontal pin and you can see the recent application, home button and back button. Tap on this option to show the recent application on your Pixel device. Tap on circle or middle to go to home on your device and open the screen. So tap on the back button to go back the previous screen on your device. So you can easily change the navigation board setting as a gesture navigation or 3-button navigation bar. Also you can use the circle to search feature. Just touch and hold the home button. If you want to use a 3-button navigation, just touch and hold the home button to access the three Google Assistant or Gemini on your device. But if you want to use the full screen gesture, just long press the horizontal pin at the bottom to access the Google Assistant on a device. Like maybe long press it. Now you can access the Google Assistant. So quite easy to change the navigation bar button like a 3-button navigation bar or a full screen gesture on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other latest Pixel device running the Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.